The way this week has been going, it's just been very successful.
Very successful. This actually looks all good, eh? For a bumper that's been melted. Oh, for sake, Jose. It's always this. You better be taking the piss.
I'm not.
Show me.
Honestly. I'll pay him to repaint it.
Oh my god, man. What better way to eat some Mexican than driving down to Guzman with our little Mexican bro.
You know I'm a hot boy, but I ain't never uber cool. Just need some fuck, that's why I'm riding with my tool. 1800 block boy, I'm quick to give a bit of blues. I was already sentenced before I came about the wound. Streets done already sentenced me before no cracker could. And I don't know why, but I'm just so fucked up about the hood. And I don't know why, these niggas be hating on the G when I'm the same.
Alrighty, another day in paradise here in Upper Coomera. We're about to take the GTO to Guzman Gomez. I think we're going to go through the drive-through, get this thing finished, and then we're going to Shady'S meet tonight. You nervous?
Am I nervous? I'm not nervous. I think I'm gonna park it in front and get a cool picture.
If you want to go in it, you can. I'll go on the way there. You go on the way back, maybe.
Nah, it's all good. Right. You're just complaining about the videos, like, yeah, go this shit.
Don't do
This
it.
guy
I'm not a filmer. Josh the filmer. That's what he gets paid to do.
gets paid to do it.
Big
Yeah,
time
I
YouTuber.
wish. Big YouTube guy. Anyway, we're talking a bunch of rubbish. So this is was a registered streetcar in California.
Oh, it's a red joke spot. You got 20.
Yeah, have a look. I don't really see what the issue is, but it's going to look pretty cool in the Guzman drive-thru. And for legal purposes, we trailered it to Guzman and trailered it back, just for legalities. So.
For me when I was doing that time, ain't nobody do that shit but me. Miss my nigga cool. I know right now you probably sleep.
Just don't film up close. Oh yeah, I'm high already off that smell. Right, so we got the full kit here for the burnout car. Jesse re-cleared, redid the front bar, guards. What else? That's about it. We're nearly ready to go. I'm gonna put it on a pad Wednesday. Hopefully all back together. Just so you know. Me and Jose are heading back to the shed now. We're gonna go fit this up because we have a car meet tonight. So, well, actually, what's the time? I think we have a car meet in like 2 hours. And this is my body kit, so we'll see if we get it on. What do you reckon? Do you reckon we can get it on in 2 hours?
What, the kit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's us, bro.
Let's go.
Without breaking anything?
Yeah, doing it properly, bro.
Yeah, Jose, properly.
No guard brackets, but doing it properly. Alright, we're gonna hit the road, get back to the shed and start fitting this up. Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we back, hey?
We're not fitting these up, bro.
What do you mean?
There's no way, man. They're fine.
Wait, this actually looks all good, eh? For a bumper that's been melted. Oh, for fuck's sake, Jose, cunt. It's always this
It's a
cunt.
shit one anyway, it doesn't matter.
Jose. You better be taking the piss,
I'm
cunt.
not.
Show me.
Honestly. I'll pay him to repaint it.
Oh my god, man.
I'm not helping you.
SpongeBob.
I'm done. Howdy.
Wait till he finds out I tried
This guy, man.
I'm
Jesse.
sorry, I'm done.
That's 2 times today.
I don't know. Should we? Do you want to see my front bar that he fucking kicked?
He kicked the front bar too.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm trying to help. And
Yo.
Here, I'm gonna set it down.
Some dudes just want to watch the world burn.
No, I'm done.
Nah, you're not done. You can make up for it by fitting it.
I don't want to be at fault for it.
No, you'll fit in the front. You'll fit in the front. Please, Dad. What's that?
Guess who's skiing on the way to the car, mate?
Yeah.
Jose gonna be like this.
Yes, you're going skiing with SpongeBob and Benny.
I'm not going skiing.
So we got the boys throwing on, they throwing on front guards and stuff. I'll just throw the spoiler together. So I'm going to throw the GTSR rear bar on and see how the spoiler looks. This also has underglow. Going back to the P-plate days.
Need for speed.
So mainly watch these. Right. Yeah, see if that's going to look with the spoiler. She's done. But yeah, Jesse smashed it out. We got it on the car, looking hot as fuck. We got a team effort going on right now. So I'm bolting shit up. Benny's doing the underglow. I don't know, what's Jose doing? Side skirts? Throwing shit. We got Jesse putting all the inserts in. Is this like a 1 hour mock-up?
Bro, is this the biggest screwdriver we have?
Yeah. What? People will be like, yep, Josh and Jose, back at it again. Alright, how am I getting this out? What? Like this.
Unless I'm drunk, I'm high, but I'm both right now. I got so many feelings, I might can't never go to Canada, but Drake said he gon' put some screens, so let me.
Just got here and we couldn't get the trailer in, so we're like, fuck it, we'll unload these things and bring them in. This is the dumbest idea yet, Jose. Just so you know, dumbest idea to date.
Stand behind it.
I don't want to stand behind loud car. The louder the car, the smaller the dick. Ew. Australia, Jose. This is what happens in Australia.
A bit loud.
Nice. Nutty. Nuts.
What happened, Will? This is what?
This is fucked. This is nutty.
Look what you did.
I love it. Wish it was more.
I think we need to go on the freeway. Probably we should load up.
There's always one. There's always one.
At least it was good.
My calendar, I just popped me one of them what you callers and then boosted my stamina. Now I'm fucking I own the balance stuff. Yes, I just need still on them. And I already caught tarantula. Fuck a challenge, every hoes ain't got no manners, bruh. What's the matter? I keep throwing rubber bandits up. Ho, pull your panties up, cause you fuck like a granny.
We done. Oh,
Sorry.
can't balance. How'd it go?
Load out really tight. Don't like.
Really tight. Yeah, we good. They're back on the trailer. still in our possession. I think that's successful. As I gotta take his car.
The way this week has been going, it has been very successful.
Very successful.
Now got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high.